The Hiccup and Toothless flying high through the clouds up in the sky. They're the best of friends, that's for sure. Together there's nothing they can't endure. Toothless roar, hiccup soar. We can do it, let's explore. With our wings and hearts so true, there's nothing that we cannot do. In the forest, what's that sound? The dragons are trapped, they're on the ground. But Hiccup has a clever plan. With Toothless we can save them, man. Up in the sky, so high we fly. We'll rescue the dragons, don't ask why. Working together we're so strong. With Toothless and Hiccup we belong. Toothless roar, Hiccup soar. We can do it, let's explore. With our wings and hearts so true, there's nothing that we cannot do. So fly with us and you will see the magic of friendship, wild and free. Hiccup and Toothless, here to stay, together forever, every day.